Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Agro Respiration. Today I'll be teaching you how to move suckers on your pineapple. We have already harvest the whole farm like this. We have already move our fruit. So now we're moving all the sucker to start selling it to source to make money. You know, all the time we're making money. Yes, agriculture is all about when you invest, you also wait to cash your balance. So now we're moving suckers. So as it is like this, as you people can see, I'll be teaching you people how to move sucker. So by the process of this video, so this is the beginning. If you want to invest inside pineapple, follow from today. Start to follow this my videos up to the next one. Like and subscribe for more, so that you will see the step by step as how I'll be working the pineapple, because we are about to start new process. So for now, I will teach you how to extract your suckers. Like when you come here, you can see we already harvest the fruit here. Then the pineapple will now give extra one here. Then you just broke it like this, as you can see, guys. You just broke it like this, and this another one here. You just look this one. You broke the suckers like this. You broke it like this. You broke it like this. So we're inside harvesting of sucker. We're moving the sucker such to start a new project or farm. Because immediately you move your fruit, you have to go back to suckers. If you want, you can sell the suckers. If you want, you can use it and make your new farm with it. So as you can see, guys, when you're moving like this, these are the suckers. This is the sucker. This is the sucker. These are it. So I'll show you one thing here before this video. Before I stop this video, I'll show you one thing on this one. You see, when you're moving your sucker like this, on the process, this is what hold the sucker not to develop. So when you want to plant it, you move this, you move this. So in the next video, I'll show you as how they work on it to move this. You move this before planting it, because if you don't move this, it won't progress well, because these are the things that hold him not to develop when it's still on the main sucker. So this thing just hold him not to to grow. But when you want to transfer it, that you're already moving it, you have to move this. You have to move this and keep the root. Then now it's ready for planting. But all this I'll be showing you in the next video, as how I'll be moving it and showing you how to plant it. So you that is interested in pineapple agriculture, follow and like and share. Thank you.